Hey guys, it's Larry, and today we are doing a plan with me, and this is a gorgeous purple lavender planner sticker kit that I got from My Life Planners, and her name is Sky. She does some gorgeous work, and this is the PDF that I printed out. It's 2 pages. Look at all this cuteness. And I have turned them into stickers through my Cricut, and this is what my stickers look like. I did a ton of these. I already put my social media on here, got some check boxes. Oh, look at the butterfly, it's just so pretty. I made a weekend sticker. We've got some date covers. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those or not yet. And I wasn't even sure what size, so I made 2 different sizes. It looks like the smaller one would probably be better. Some more flowers and a butterfly. And then I did her washi and a butterfly checklist. And more washi. So if you want to see how this all comes together, then stick around. We're going to have some fun, play some music and whatnot, so let's get started. Okay guys, so like I said, we are going to get started. These stickers again are from Sky at mylifeplanners.com. I will leave a link for her below. She also has a Facebook group, and she has tons and tons of free files and an Etsy store where you can pay for a bunch of it's just a huge library of organizational and planner stickers and just great stuff. So I highly recommend checking her out. But let's get started. I've got my stickers, I've got my planner pages, I've got a tropical iced tea that I just made for myself today, and I am looking forward to this. So if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for being here. You know I appreciate you. If you're not yet, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And subscribe, hit this little button over here, ring the bell for notifications, and know that we do Plan With Me videos every Friday, and then throughout the week we do some fun stuff just sprinkled here and there depending on what's going on. So let's have some fun, guys. Thanks for being with me, and let's get started. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the final layout. Totally different than I had anticipated when I started. I ended up not using any of the pre-made washi and instead pulled out some foil washi from my stash, which I just love because it's the perfect color lavender to go with this artwork. So I think this came out super cool. What do you think? Do you like it? If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment and say yes or no, or I love it, or do more like this. It's a lot more white space than I had anticipated, and I love that. So I think it's totally cool. And I generally just don't like doing the date covers. You know, I'm into black and white, and I like the crispness of the black, and I'm totally fine with that. So I think this is one of the better layouts I've done in quite a while. I super love her design and her artwork. Again, this is Sky from mylifeplanners.com, so link below for that. So check it out. What do you think? Did you do something fun this week with your planner? Leave some comments, ask questions, and let me know what you think. So, alright guys, again, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and join me in the next video. Again, Plan With Me's are on Fridays, and other fun stuff throughout the week. Thank you so much for being here with me, and please be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye guys.